Good medical morning. A short while ago, we published a video about a Cuban teenager named Emanuel Zayas, seen here, who was preparing to undergo surgery at Jackson Memorial Hospital in Florida to remove a life-threatening 10-pound tumor from his face. Cuban doctors were unable to treat the unique tumor that stemmed from a condition called polystatic fibrous dysplasia, in which the body replaces portions of bones with fibrous tissues. Unfortunately for Emanuel, the only two options were risky surgery or an inevitable death from suffocation or broken neck due to the deterioration of bones and the sheer size of the tumor. The lead surgeon who took on the case, Dr. Marks, was one of the only people able to identify the condition on site, and he led a team of surgeons through a 10-hour surgery which was initially a success. They were able to keep the blood loss in check, which was the biggest obstacle of the removal. However, after 24 hours, Emanuel's condition declined rapidly, and the shock from the surgery led to kidney and other system failures, and Emanuel regrettably passed away soon after. Despite the sadness, Emanuel's family and supporters believe that he is in a better place now. And the doctors were able to learn from this extremely rare case, which could, someday, help someone else survive a similar operation. Please leave a supportive comment for Emanuel's family below, and thanks for watching.